Okay guys, so what we're doing first is we're doing number 16, okay? So just 1 second longer, we'll just have okay? Now, 1 sec. There we go. Okay. Sorry guys. Now, guys, we have number 16 first, okay? Now, the number 16. What we're gonna have to do here is press the kind of later on. Now, guys, 16. Okay, so you have 3x squared. So 3x squared minus 22x. Plus 7, okay? So you need the reference number. Mick, what's the reference number for this one?
21.
21, so 3 times 7 is 21. Now, break up 21 into two numbers that add together to give you
21 and 1.
Okay, and are they both plus or both minus?
Both plus. Oh, sorry, minus. Plus 21 minus 1.
They're both minus because they actually have to make up 22. So it's going to be 3x squared minus 21x minus 1x plus 1. You can see that the 22x separated into 21x and x. Now, what do you take out of them, Sean?
You do 3x bracket x.
Yeah, 3x bracket x.
Should that be plus 7? It's a
sorry, it's a plus 7. Yeah.
3x bracket x minus 7.
X minus 7, perfect.
Minus 1 bracket x minus 7.
Okay, now you can do a quick check, guys. 3x by x squared. 3x by minus 7. Minus 1 by x. Minus 1x. And minus 1 by minus 7. Plus 7. And then finish it off.
3x minus 1 x minus 7.
X minus 7. Okay, so that's the first one we did at number 16, okay? Alright guys, now that 16's done, what other ones do you want to see done? Is there any other questions from 16 to 24?
No.
Okay, perfect. Alright guys, we'll do, before we end this up, we're just going to do 2 of these. They're quite easy. 28 and 31. Now, what do you get for 28, Paddy?
My answer?
Yeah.
X bracket x minus 5.
Now, just check that out for me, Paddy. X times x.
X squared.
And then x times minus 5.
Minus 5x.
Okay, Mick, 31. X squared plus x.
It's not x cubed because it's not 1.
Take out.
Take out the x.
And then what's left?
X plus x.
Now, x times x is x squared. X multiplied by that, what gives you 1x?
1.
Plus 1. Because you did x there, Mick, it would be another x squared.
Would x plus x be right because 1?
No, if you did x multiplied by x plus x, okay, here's what would happen. You'd get
X squared, x squared.
You'd get x squared, okay?
So x forward.
So you'd get x squared plus x squared. Now you wouldn't get x4 unless you're multiplying them, Mick, you're adding them. So it'd be 2x squared. Just 2 of them, okay? Alright guys, that's pretty well done, okay? Now, what we got to do next is we got to move on to the difference of two squares.
16.
16's already been taken off the board. We have these ones here, okay? Now, what we're going to try is, there's a general formula, and this formula needs to be learned off by heart, okay? And what it is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. Now that's the formula we have to use. Now, and I'm going to write down a set of numbers to the right. You got to tell me what's so significant about these numbers, okay? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64.
So concentrated.
Okay, 64. Now guys, when you do 64, okay, what can you tell me about these numbers?
They're all
What we call squares.
Multiply.
So they're all like one squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, right? Numbers like this, okay? Now, okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to do what's called the difference of two squares, okay? So the difference of two squares is basically you're going to replace A with X and you're going to replace B with whatever number fits in to make it work. Okay. Somebody. Okay. Now, guys. So what happens here is we have these special numbers. Okay. So if in number 35, okay, we can see that instead of A we have X. So it's going to be X squared minus. Now you change 16 into
4 times 4.
4 squared. 4 times 4. So instead of A you have X. Exactly, X minus 4, X plus 4. Okay? And what about this one here, number 39? What about number 39?
X plus 5, X minus 5.
Okay, so, sorry, 39 would be X squared minus, anybody tell me?
7.
7 squared, and what does that change into?
X plus 7.
X plus 7, X minus 7. Okay guys, now, these are reasonably easy at the moment. Now, the way they dress up these questions is they want you to basically, they're going to try and basically give you something like question 40. So if you read 40 part 3, how would you think you're going to go about doing 40 part 3?
It's going to take a while. I'll do that first.
I currently can't because it, unless I can do it here.
10.
Yeah, it's still tiny. Now, guys, so basically, right guys, so this one here is 40 part 3, okay? Now, 40 part 3, we're going to multiply it out. What happens when you multiply it out?
5x.
5x squared, yeah?
Minus 5.
Equals, then
Minus 4x.
minus 4x squared, then?
That's not.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Now these questions say expand, remove the brackets of each of the following, and once we're done that, then we factorize. So what we get is 5x squared minus 4x squared, and then we get x squared minus 9. And x squared minus 9 is very similar to these questions here, so what do you think we do? So it's going to be?
Equals 3 squared. Minus 3 squared.
X plus 3 and?
X minus 3.
X minus 3, that's it. Done. Okay, so that's question 40. So guys, in class now, what I want you guys to do is the ones I'm circling in green.
Not the one circled in red.
Not the one circling in
Or the
red.
ones that are colorblind.
Circled in green. Okay, so that's it, done there guys. So, the ones in green.